How are you all? Hello and welcome back to the Coins Alert, your place to get your crypto fix. I'm your boss. I hope everyone is enjoying this lovely pump. As we try to reach the all-time high of 2020, we can see an XRP. We are only 7 cents away. The retest is not going to be easy. It will not be easy to break the region after not being able to do so for 4 years. But we're going to break it. Don't get me wrong, we will completely break it. After that, we will giga sail up to about $2, which is where we will start aiming for the all-time high in 2017. It's coming. Should I be ready for a small drop before then? Of course. The catch is not that it is good, though. We need to go back down so that we can keep going up. All eyes are on a $1.96 right now. That easy. Break it down 96. We try to get to about $2. There will likely be a small drop, but the price will likely stay above the all-time high. Then we will break through the 2017 all-time high. Let's say that everything could happen by the end of the year. We all know that the big move won't happen until the first quarter of 2025. We know that the conical blow-off tops won't be coming out in 2025 during the summer or fall. That's when XRP can raise its cute little head above and into the double digits. We are going to talk about XRP in this episode. XRP, and more XRP. So don't wait any longer, sit back and take it easy. Let's take a Bitcoin. At $96,758, it's down about 0.6% right now. Since Ethereum came out at $3,675, it's up 2.28% right now. Both USDT and USDC are coming in at the same value as $1, which is XRP. It's really hard. We keep seeing $1.90 and $1.89. But what it really wants to do is push up. Don't worry if we can't break the all-time high in 2020, because a drop to around $50 is a good idea at this point. We'll make it through. This makes me think of how I kept telling you that 75 cents and 70 cents would be a pain. We tried 6 times to break 70 cents. We finally broke through, and with some extra speed, we went over 75 cents on the 3rd try. It's going to fall. The size of the whole Bitcoin market is $3,440,000,000. Avax is still very impressed with Cardano, so let's take a look at some of these other coins. Stellar also looks good, and at 53 cents, it's not bad. We haven't seen Polkadot yet, but it's coming. I really want Polkadot to go up to $15 to $20 and Chainlink to at least $30 to $40 by now. Moves are on the way for alts like that. The H-bar looks great. I told you that H-bar was going to move up. We'll likely talk about it for 30 to 40 seconds. Now, if you haven't already, feel free to set up. Get your free You Can Now Get King of the Jungle packs, which was the first trading card game ever on the XP register. It's like God is free on Ethereum. Head over to my Twitter rep Bullwinkle. You must already know the name. There's a form. All of you who have already filled out the form should go back and finish it later today. You already have your pack holes cut. You haven't gotten them yet. Those who filled it out later will get them today. Please check your spam folder, as your email address may send us there sometimes. Look through the box and fill out the Google form. Please give me your Xamarin Cash, give me your email address, and I'll send you a free deck of 20 cards to play the game. Last night the game was hot. There are many fights going on. The first event is going to happen. I think it will be next weekend. Hit the first competition for the game, or maybe in the middle of the week. Stay tuned for that. The event is free to join. We might get 16 teams in. You know, everyone plays with each other. We move on to the next set of forms, put them together, and keep going. Most of the time, the games only last an hour. The games go by quickly. Being good at what you do, you know that the average game lasts between 10 and 15 minutes. If you're not following Mux Lines or NFT, go do it now. In the last week, the TLN token has gone up over 115%. This is on Bitmart. Get it now, because I'm telling you right now that a new swap is going to be added or dropped. As you know, prices change when a new market comes on board. We're going to blast off and go up, up, up. When Bitmart first came out, it was only 3 cents. It went up to $1 and then went back down. About 15 cents went back up to 60 cents, then back down and finally hit bottom. This meant that people were taking gains when they should have been up. Over 13 times now, we're sitting at about 6 to 7 cents. The next move on another exchange, no one thinks it will send this thing up into the dollar range the second you post this RLUSDXLM search and FIFA's NFT game. Now let's get to the good part. It says that Ripple is getting ready to start the RLUSD. It's regulated stablecoin as soon as the New York Department of Financial Services NYDFS gives its okay. Ben Crypto said that the stablecoin will probably be released on December 4th. This will be Ripple's first move into New York's controlled digital financial market. This is why I think the price is probably going up right now, folks, going to tell you the truth. So might we need to pull back here? Or could it be on the way 100% of the time? That's okay, though, that's fine. Don't get mad about that. We can't keep running up in a straight line. I'm very positive. I've always thought it would go up. We're now way above 75 cents, which is what the goal wants to see by the end of the year, which makes me even more optimistic. It has always been 6% of the market cap, making XRP the leader. 2017 or even 2020, when the RIP VV's SEC case comes out, we get to a market cap lead of 6%. We see $7 trillion in crypto, which seems more likely every day. Of course, that's at least $6 in XRP. That doesn't take into account the top parabola blow. It's funny to see how many people want to get into XRP all of a sudden. That's interesting, right? Everyone is getting on board. Everyone wants XRP because it's new, but the real pioneers have been around since 2017. These movies are watched by many people, been there for a long time and never lost their way or their purpose. That's why you stayed here. That's why you're benefiting from the way XRP is moving up right now. It's an exciting time. The times we live in are really exciting. I've been looking forward to 2017 for a long time. I'm going to tell you the truth. When XRP was worth cents, people talked about it every day and every week. I was sick of it. It was really annoying. I don't want to talk about XRP being worth a cent ever again. Now we get to this. My name is Carolina. Keith put out his record. This map was shown to you around April. It's easy to see where we are. The go time box is that big blue box. Follow me with this on the screen. This first step up was shown by this green arrow right here. We had the little red dot, which was the route. What do we see now? It's normal for the corrected side to show a little more red after the next push-up. The next send-up comes after the next push-up. In Q1, the bull run will have been going for half a year. We're only halfway through. In all honesty, we just started this thing. In September, that was your white line. So you could say that about a month or two ago since we're. Now in December was the last chance to really get in and go for it. You can see how well it worked, right? Up. One last chance to buy before the market went sideways. The strong parabolic move then went up. This map came out in April and has been dead on since then. What will we see next? We see some more movement to the upside before a small correction pullback. Now, I don't care how far this thing pulls back. All I want to see is that we can hold the dollar. It doesn't matter if it pulls back from $90 to $10. The next move up will break the all-time high set in 2020, and then it will break the all-time high set in 2017. Keep in mind that all-time highs are hard to break. It's not just XRP. Every cryptocurrency tries to break an all-time high, but fails on the first try. Right now, it's not breaking the 2020 all-time high on the first try, which is to be expected. What do we expect to happen next? We expect it to gain some momentum and then slingshot right past it, getting us up into the $230 to $250 range for XRP. This is the chart on the left. The year is 2016. The bull run in the middle was in 2020, and the bull run on the right is now. We are in line with the bull run in 2016, which is exactly what we want to see because the bull run in 2020 wasn't very good. Let's tell the truth. The bull market was huge in 2016. The red lines show you exactly where we are. Okay, we took a small drop and now we can see green lights going up. That's what we see now. The most important set is this one over here on the right. As I speak, this red line that I'm drawing can be seen coming across. We've touched it all along. That's always had a 6% XRP market cap lead over in 2016. We didn't play, we learned 25%. It looks very possible that XRP will be able to make the same move. We can now reach that 20 to 25% market cap control, and the market will have $9.40.